Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Rizwan Said and welcome to Voice of World channel. You know that coronavirus is spreading very fastly all over the world and getting more severe day by day. I think there might be two reasons of this coronavirus. Number one, it might be a persecution from God. Number two, it might be a biological war. If it is a persecution from God, then make your belief that Allah will send his persecution only when injustice and brutalities becomes very common with innocent people and the world powerful countries becomes quite silent. If I talked about the current situation of the Kashmir, then make it clear that 370 and 35A articles have been abrogated by Indian government and they imposed curfew since 5 August 2019. You know very well that after the abrogation of 370 and 35A articles, Kashmiris have lost their special status. Kashmiris are now spending a life which is full of atrocities and brutalities. There is no internet access, no mobile phone facility, and Indian army is busy in kidnapping of the innocent people, and where they have kept these people and in what conditions they are, no one knows about this. After a lot of unbearable torture, these innocent people brutally murdered in captivity, and poor woman is played with honors, and such women either go mad or end their lives by committing suicide. Indian army blindfolded those who went out to protest by using pellet guns. My question to you is, if you find out that your father or brother have been arrested and transferred to an unknown place without any reason, and they are being humiliated and tortured, or if you find out that a beast has robbed your mother or sister's honor, or if your father, brother or sister has been blinded in front of you by using a pellet gun, then tell me, would you survive? No, you will not survive. You will hit the wall again and again and die. This is my guarantee. We are in lockdown, but we have mobile phone, internet and good food facility. And we are not even afraid of losing our siblings or our parents. But we are still bored and abusing the government for allowing us to go out for roaming. Have you ever think that what is happening with our Kashmiri brothers and sisters? For God's sake, speak up for them and share this video with others. I urge UNO and all other countries, especially Grade 5 countries, to resolve the Kashmir issue as soon as possible in accordance with UN resolutions. Otherwise, the punishment of Allah Almighty will be much more severe and all will be destroyed. Besides Kashmir, the persecution in Palestine, Myanmar and Syria would also be stopped. And if it is a biological war, then the virus will soon be vaccinated and the disease will be controlled. But if the operation on Kashmir, Palestine, Syria and Myanmar would not be stopped, then remember that a severe punishment will come from Allah and destroy the whole world. Therefore, I urge the UNO and all other countries to play their role in resolving these issues. Don't think that our economy will be destroyed if India stops to trade. Don't think it will happen, that will happen. But if this coronavirus is not be stopped, then surely all the countries will be destroyed and the countries will be victimized of civil war. Therefore, a plebiscite should be held in Kashmir as soon as possible and let them choose to Pakistan or India according to their wishes. Thanks for watching and listening to me. If you want to support the Kashmiris, then don't forget to share and like this video. And to watch more informative videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.